Okay, in Brecon Beacons today with Lids and Otto. How are you feeling? Okay. Yeah, it's been solid. Oh, thank you for that. I thought it was just me. Do you mind? Just got to the top of Penavan.
We'll go round. I'm going round. What's coming?
Okay, we're in the valley now, and we found a really nice camper spot. We're just trying to find a nice, easy way to cross this river. We have found camp for the night. Ideal, really? Ideal. Where do you want to set up here? Now, Lids has set up this tent before, and he's still tried doing it wrong. I'm off to find firewood, and Holty's going to spend the next 20 minutes trying to put his other boot on. Hi, darling.
Hello, mate, it don't reach.
Then you need to bring the poles in a bit.
That's one always fault.
He set this tent up before, I swear he has. I swear he has. Anyway, let's leave him to it. Let Mike start the fire now. I've just prepped a little bit of wood. In a mountain valley, there's not a lot of choice for wood, so just do what we can. Alright, let's get it set. Alright, tents are set up. The fire is sort of going. We've had a lot of wet weather recently. It's been raining for about 2 weeks, so everything's just soaked through. My amazing lunch or amazing dinner might not happen, just because if we can't get this fire hot enough with some limited trees, it's going to be tricky. I mean, you can see here in the fire, just all of that liquid coming out. It's slowly catching. I won't give up on it. I've got another hour's worth of patience in me. If not, it's just going to be boiling a bag meals, and it's going to be a bit miserable, but oh well. Still beautiful round here though. Really beautiful. I've sent the 2 donuts off to find more wood. Use a saw, you. Just seen them bouncing up and down on a loose branch, so yeah. Right, let's try and keep this fire going somehow. Okay, today we have got lamb shoulder. I'm gonna cook it for a bit, for an hour, then I'm gonna season it, then cook it again for another hour, and hopefully if this fire doesn't die, we'll have some cooked lamb. We're about to enjoy a drink. What have you got?
Vodka and Diet Coke.
Vodka because he's a 12-year-old girl.
I don't like JD.
Neither do I, which is why I've got myself a proper whiskey. And I've got a proper whiskey Jura, which I feel bad for mixing with Coke, so I'm not going to. Oh yeah, that is so good. I haven't had a whiskey on a trip out in a long time. Well, I might do some food prep, you know.
How did you do this in -8?
By struggling, mainly.
Hard.
Huh?
Do you find it hard?
Yeah. Yeah, it was chilly. It was very chilly.
Ready, steady, cook.
Campsite is set up and food is cooking. Holty has put on some trousers.
Record breakers.
Set up a bit of a makeshift wind block, just to try and keep the wind off us, keep the heat on the fire. And as you're seeing, we have got mushrooms, potatoes, peppers with parsley and rosemary. And then we're going to have some shoulder of lamb sliced up into that stew. We've also got rice if we get hungry, if that's not enough, but that will probably be enough with all the snacks we got as well. Right, happy?
Over the moon, mate.
Over the moon?
Yeah.
Bit loud next to the river. Yeah. So I'm in the tent by myself, but these two lovebirds. I just can't.
Why do you like doing it on your own, man? I'd hate it. I hate it.
I quite like doing it on my own, just because how long have we been trying to plan this?
Yeah, it's been a long time because Oldham's always got something going on.
So we've been planning this for a very long time, and the reason why I go by myself mainly is so I don't have to wait for you two to be free.
Oh, I'm always free.
No, you're not.
I'm once a year, man.
No. Whatever you want, mate. Whatever you want. Yeah, whatever you want, mate. Whatever you want. Right, the food is done, if not slightly burnt. We have
It's been hard.
what? Good.
That is lamb pasty.
I do like lamb. The food's done, washing up's done, everything's done. Just put loads of wood on the fire. It's not burning great, but it's still burning. Liz is overcomplicating a card game. She doesn't understand. So I am just going to continue drinking whiskey.
No. They're already in order, so why would I need to shuffle?
So that's diamonds, spades, hearts, clubs. So each round, yeah. So obviously, first round is you get dealt 7 cards.
Yeah, right, with that, and then the trump is diamonds. Oh, I play trump. Yeah, so you must obviously, with trump, obviously you must follow suit if you've got that suit. Highest card wins. Obviously, if it's not that suit and you can trump in and you haven't got.
Joke of the day. Lids, why do they call Elon Musk Elon? Because that's his name, you idiot. Alright. So I won the card game.
I won the card game.
I won the card game. Good day? Yeah, so apparently they enjoyed it. It is a very clear night at the moment. Temperature. It's so much easier filming alone. Oh, you know what, I'm just gonna call it a night here. Night.